Questions to ask when preparing for mediation. To get the most out of mediation, it is worthwhile to prepare. Here are some of the questions to ask yourself when preparing for mediation. What do you want to achieve? List your objectives in order of priority. What do you think the other person wants to achieve? List their objectives in order of priority. What do you think would make a realistic solution? What can you do to help the other person achieve what they want and to help them help you achieve what you want? When offering things, what can you realistically deliver? When asking the other person to do things, what can they realistically deliver? If you have let the other down, what can you do to demonstrate that you are reliable and can be trusted? If you have been let down by the other person, what can they do to demonstrate to you that they are reliable and can be trusted? What can you both do to improve communications? If communications have been difficult, what can you both do differently that is realistic and achievable? If you have children, what are their wishes and what are their needs? If the children are older, is your mediator qualified to meet with them and take their views? Would this be helpful? How can you both work together to keep disagreement and conflict away from the children? How can you both manage meetings and handovers to make the experience better for the children? If relations have been difficult, what do you say or do that winds the other person up? Can you avoid pressing those buttons? How can you react differently if the other person says something which winds you up? What are the views of any relevant third parties and how will your proposals impact them? If you are discussing financial issues, then how quickly can you provide full and frank disclosure of your means? Have you budgeted to get legal advice in support of the mediation process? If you do not resolve matters in mediation, how much will it cost to go to court? What is the worst alternative to a negotiated agreement? And what is the best alternative to a negotiated agreement? What is your realistic bottom line and what is the realistic bottom line of the other person? Once you're done preparing for mediation, here's some advice on what to do in the meeting. Listen to what the other person has to say. Acknowledge any concerns or issues that they may have. Be respectful and be willing to explore the proposals of the other person. Remember that mediation is about finding a solution together. It is not about you imposing your solution, it is about persuading the other. This means that they need to feel that there is something in the plan for them. Where the arrangements for children are concerned, the best outcomes take time to achieve. Be willing to be patient and to engage in the process. You may have questions such as what questions to ask in mediation for custody, or what questions does a mediator ask a child, who can attend mediation, and what to expect in mediation child custody. We've created an FAQs page that can help answer any of those questions for you. If somebody close to you would benefit from this episode, please do share it with them. And in the meantime, leave this episode a like and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our upcoming episodes in the future. If you would like to get in touch or take a look at some of our other blogs where we cover various topics, please visit our website at walkfamilylaw.co.uk.